We're going to be amused when seeing the world's largest engines and their features. The list starts with the hugest marine engine. The Wärtsilä REA 96C is the giant reciprocating engine in the world. The engine is capable of producing 109 brake horsepower, and its crankshaft weighs 300 tons. Next is the Fiat S76, which is the largest car engine of all time. The Fiat S76, later known as Fiat 300 horsepower record, was built between 1910 to 1911. The engine produces 290 horsepower at 1,900 revolution per minute. Now is the time for the largest rocket engine. The F1 engine installed in the Saturn V rocket is 18.5 feet tall, and its rocket is 363 feet tall. This engine produces 1.5 million pounds of thrust. The following is the biggest industrial turbine engine. It is the GE 1750 MW Arabelle, which is a nuclear steam turbine. Its job is to convert wet steam into electricity. This turbine generates 700 to 1900 megawatt power. Let's not forget to mention that the turbine blades weigh 176 pounds. Here is the largest steam locomotive engine, by length. It is the Union Pacific Big Boy engine, which is 82 feet long, and can produce more than 135,000 pounds force. Now it is the time for the largest wind motor. The Siemens SWT6154 is the biggest offshore wind turbine. This wind turbine generates 6 megawatt power, and it swept an area of 18,600 meters. The rotor diameter of the turbine is 505 feet, which is larger than the A380 Airbus airplane. Here is the Likeming XR7755 hugest radial aero engine. It produces 5,000 brake horsepower using 36 cylinders. The weight of this engine is 2.7 tons, and has 127 liters of displacement. Now let's see the largest production car engine. The 8.4-litre Viper V10 engine, made by Chrysler, produces 640 horsepower. It is installed in Dodge Viper, and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.96 seconds. The top speed of this engine is 205 miles per hour. Finally, it's the turn for the largest production motorcycle engine. Triumph Rocket 3. It's a 3-cylinder engine that produces 150 pound-feet of torque. The engine is capable of producing 148 horsepower. I hope you enjoyed this new information. For more exciting content, do not forget to like and follow us.